How to make yes, no button in Excel sheet, Google. One quick yes or no choices in your sheet. Let's make yes or no buttons in Google Sheets. So first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and create a new spreadsheet and then go ahead and add more info for this spreadsheet. So for example, the info for the specific cell under the yes or no option would be updated. So under this, you can go ahead and right click on the cell and then make sure to select drop down. And then at the right side, you can go ahead and set this to yes and no. And then set the color of yes to green and no to red. And then click on done. And then if you want to apply this on the rest of the numbers under the specific column, simply copy this specific cell and then select all of the numbers under it and then click on paste, and then all of it would be placed under the specific column. Now, you can easily set this to yes or no by clicking it and then selecting your answer. And that is how you can easily make yes no button in Excel sheet Google.